Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the PPI, or pixels per inch, of an image using Photoshop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand not only how to adjust this important setting, but why it matters for things like printing your photos at the best quality or preparing images for the web. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. You can do this by just dragging your image file onto the Photoshop workspace, or by going to File and then Open and selecting your image from your computer. Once your image loads up, take a moment to make sure it looks correct and you're working on the actual file you want to adjust. Now, head up to the top menu bar and click on Image, then choose Image Size. This is where all the magic happens. A dialog box will pop up, displaying some key information about your image, its dimensions, current resolution, and a few options we'll look at closely. Here's a really important step. Find the Resample checkbox near the bottom of the image size window. By default, it might be checked. Go ahead and uncheck this box. This tiny action is crucial. It tells Photoshop that you want to change the resolution, or PPI, without actually altering the total number of pixels in your image. If you leave Resample checked, Photoshop might add or remove pixels from your image as you change the PPI, which can result in unwanted changes to the quality and size. By unchecking it, you're essentially telling Photoshop, leave the pixel count alone. So, remember, unchecking Resample preserves all your original image data and only updates how densely it's packed for print or display. Now, look for the field labeled Resolution. This is where you'll enter your desired PPI value. If you're preparing an image for high-quality printing, let's say for a photo book or a canvas, you'll want to type in 300. This is the industry standard and ensures crisp, detailed prints. On the other hand, if you're getting images ready for web use, 72 or 96 PPI is the common choice and is all you need for screens. Just type your number in and notice how the document size shifts while the pixel dimensions stay locked. That's thanks to the Resample box being unchecked. Once you've set the perfect PPI for your project, click OK. Your changes have been applied. Before we finish up, let's quickly save your updated image. It's a good practice to save it with a slightly different name, maybe by adding 300 PPI or web at the end. This way, your original file stays untouched, and you have a clear record of which images are optimized for printing or online use. And that's it. You've successfully updated the PPI of your image in Photoshop, giving you more control over how your work appears on screen or in print. If the dialog box and all the options seem overwhelming at first, don't worry. You'll get the hang of it with practice. Changing PPI is actually pretty straightforward once you know where things are and why the Resample box matters. If you have any questions or ran into any surprises, drop them in the comments below. I check them regularly and love helping out. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss more Photoshop guides and creative tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.